Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add second y-axis to a graph in Microsoft Excel. But before we get started, I would really appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to support our channel. Let us see how to do it. In this example, we have sales data, return data. What I want to do is to plot both of this data on the same line graph. Select your data, navigate to Insert tab. In the Charts section, click into this, select this one. As you can see, only one y-axis is added. Now let us add second y-axis on the right. Click into this, right click, format data series, secondary axis. As you can see, secondary axis is added here. Left y-axis is return data, right y-axis is sales data. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comment.